This is Absolut Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico, and today we're going to take another sidestep away from vodka, go into the world of rye whiskey, and go to one of the most famous drinks of all time, the Manhattan. Don't forget to like and subscribe because you don't want to miss any of these amazing videos. All the aromas from the rye whiskey, the full aromas of the Sweet Vermouth. A very simple drink to make, but a difficult drink to master. We're going to do this straight into our mixing glass because this is very spirit forward. We're gonna make two, don't forget, so never drink alone. We're gonna add 25 ml of some sweet Italian vermouth per drink. I'm gonna add that straight in there. Next up, we want 2 dashes of bitters going straight in. So that's 4, 2 per drink. And last but not least, rye whiskey. The star of the show in any drink. We're gonna put in 45 ml per drink. And then the next thing to do is we're gonna have to stir this to the absolute perfection. Now, the earliest record of the Manhattan is around 1870 in the Manhattan Club. That's where the origin is supposed to be from. Next we're gonna do is give this a stir. We wanna stir this till it's ice cold and just to the perfect dilution. The perfect dilution is when you taste it, you go, yeah, I like that. That's the one. Now, take 2 nice big martini glasses. Get your julep strainer, you don't want any of this ice in there, and just pour straight out. Last thing to do is to garnish. Now this is where you can get a little bit creative. I'm gonna garnish with these super bougie, really expensive maraschino cherries. You can use very simple cocktail cherries if you want. You can also just use fresh cherries and soak them for 24 hours in a solution of sugar syrup and alcohol, and you'll end up making your own maraschino cherries. But go crazy, do it anything that you want, and let's have a little taste of this Manhattan. That is one good Manhattan, if I don't say so myself. Don't stick dry vermouth in your Manhattan. Just drink it with sweet. That's how it should be done.